Hi, I'm Corey Ray. Welcome back to Way's Hair. Hi, I'm Corey Ray. Welcome back to Way's YouTube channel. I'm here today to show you how I do a really quick and easy makeup and hair look when I'm trying to get out the door. Because it's Pride Month, Way and I want to make a donation to an organization that's been extremely helpful and beneficial for me since moving to Los Angeles, which is the LGBT Center. Make sure you click the link below so you can donate too. So the first thing I do, which I know most people do last, but for me it's pretty much the only thing I do, is putting on mascara. I use Maybelline Great Lash and also Mega Plush, and together they just are the perfect combination for my eyelashes. So I love the original pink and green bottle because it's what I saw my mom using when I was growing up, and it's what I started using when I transitioned in high school. I always used to lick my eyelashes and pretend that I had mascara on all those years that it wasn't socially appropriate for, people who present male to be wearing makeup. And once I started to transition, I went and got my own mascara, which was one of the best days of my life, being able to show off my eyelashes at school. And I've used it every day since. And I think one of the favorite things about my face are my eyelashes, and Maybelline just does the best job in my opinion. And I've tried so many different brands and products, and this one always just does me right. And I know I'm getting it all over my face. Don't judge yet, because I clean it up and I make it look great. I always do bottom eyelashes. I think it's really important. I know some people like to do only the top, but why not finish them out strong, After I do Great Lash, I take my fingers and I just lift up and try to separate my lashes so that I get ready for the next coat and it's not too damp. And then I take Mega Plush Volume Express and I basically do a top coat on the tips, and depending, I find that every day my eyelashes look different somehow, or take the mascara in different. So you kind of just gotta go with it, see where it needs it, really get in there, try to get every lash. Other side. I do the same thing. I curl them up a little bit, and then I go ahead and I take 2 Q-tips, one for each eye, and some makeup remover to clean it up. So you can already tell one side is obviously more presentable than the other. Then I do the other side. I did a really good job today, you guys, because normally it's seriously all over my face with big black spots. So I'm performing well for you all. And then after that, I always go back in with another coat of the Mega Plush, just to really get them on up there after the Q-tip might have gotten on it. Really pump them up. And then I take a little bit of water normally, and I wipe with water, just all the black. And then I take a little towel, and on the corners, I go in like this. Then I normally brush up my eyebrows, so I'll do that. And I just comb them up to a nice arch. I don't use any color or anything like that. Just kind of, up to where I like them. Get rid of all my sweat. You guys know how it is. So after I do my mascara and I brush in my eyebrows, I do use a really nice sunscreen moisturizer from Trader Joe's. I love this product. It comes out really white, but it absorbs beautifully into the skin and it makes it feel really smooth, and I don't feel or smell like I'm wearing sunscreen, which is my favorite part about it. And it's facial sunscreen, but I actually put it almost everywhere. I put it on my shoulders, I put it on my chest, my neck, the back of my neck. like my elbows, my arms, because it's a really, really, really great way to just make sure you have a little bit of coverage, at least from the sun, especially here in California, where the UV index is always astronomical. I learned the hard way that you have to have sunscreen, a minimum of sunscreen at least on your face and neck every single day when you're outside, because we don't realize how harmful the sun and the rays really are, even when it's cloudy out. So, better safe than sorry. Voila, now I go to hair. So, I did a body shower today. For me, I washed my hair yesterday. It was my birthday. I had a blowout. Tonight, I am getting ready for the launch of Queen, which is a script that we wrote about me becoming the world's first transgender prom queen. So I'm really excited for this launch dinner. And although my hair is not totally clean, it's gonna look clean after I'm done using OUAI hair care products. I'm gonna undo my hair right now and start. It's not, as you can see right now, too bad. I'm gonna use a little bit of dry shampoo, comb it up, tease it up, and let's get started. So, first, I'm just gonna spray a little bit of dry shampoo on the back of my hair. Get that in there. And by the way, to all you hair care experts out there, I don't know if this is totally correct. I don't know if I'm damaging my hair or not. This is what I do. I tease it back up. And this helps bring up the volume, especially in the back of my head, like when you sleep. I always try to sleep with like my hair up, but you know, you always end up sleeping on the crown of it. So this really, really helps. And I actually try to brush out my waves before I get in the shower for a body shower. And then I put it up. And while the steam of the shower like hits my hair, it comes out way better than when you go into the shower. So brush your hair when you go to sleep at night, brush your hair before you get into the shower if you're gonna do a body shower, and that will really, really, really help the waves come out nicer. Then, I'm gonna brush this a little bit. I use a little bit of this wave spray, which is really nice. Oh, just to get that wave back in there. Put it out through my hair, give it volume, make it a little bit more bouncy. And if you're worried about having too much volume or not enough, you can bring it with you. But if it's too much volume and you're doing a day to night thing like I'm doing a day of meetings and then I'm going to this launch dinner, don't worry if you have too much volume, the hair will fall. I mean, the fact that I have my hair grown out anyway is like a blessing. I waited my entire life to have like long, beautiful blonde hair, and here we are. Especially like when you're transgender, gender non-conforming, and you don't feel comfortable with your hair or your skin or your nails or your body. It's nice to know that eventually one day you can get to a place where you feel comfortable with how you're presenting yourself. And if that happens to be with some products, well then, it happens to be with some products. Then, I always, at the end of blow drying my hair, use an oil to help with the ends, but nothing too thick. The rose hair and body oil by OUAI is actually an all-time favorite of mine. I use it very, very, very sparingly. Like, 1 pump or 2. I really spread it out, and then I just kind of go through the ends of my hair very gently. Try not to have too much product right on the tip of your fingers, but more so at the palm of your hands. And then if you need it to be back up here, take it from here. You get the lip sweat off, and I'm pretty much good to go. Then sometimes I just try to decide, am I tucking my hair behind my ears? What side does it go? This side seems to be the winner today, and I'm done. I really learned how to do my hair and makeup from my mom, although she is a cosmetologist and one of the best stylists and designers I know. I don't know how much I really took away from her, but I know at least that when it looks bad, I know it looks bad, and when it looks good, I know I've done a good job. Today, I think I did pretty good. Mom, I hope I made you proud. Don't forget to check out the donation link below. You can find me on Instagram at I'm Corey Ray, and make sure to like and subscribe to Way Hair Care's YouTube channel. Thanks so much. Happy Pride.